Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to get extra soul back from your old account? In this video, I will show you how ClaimYourSol.com helps you reclaim your soul fast and easy. First off, what is Claim Your Soul? ClaimYourSol.com is a free tool that helps you clean up forgotten souls locked in empty tokens account on Solana. Each time you open a token account, it holds a tiny soul deposit as a rent-free. I don't know if you get, even after it's emptied. This tool scans your wallet, finds those accounts and lets you close them to get back your soul in one click. Each empty account holds about 0.002 soul. That might not be much, but if you have traded a lot, those tiny amounts will just add up to something meaningful. Now let me guide you on step-by-step way on how to claim your free soul. So let me proceed to my Phantom app. I'll paste the link immediately. Please make sure you copy the right link. I will be dropping the link on my description. I'll be dropping the link on the description so you don't make sure you don't copy the wrong link to avoid being scammed. Then click on Phantom, then click on Connect. It's connecting. I've actually claimed nothing to claim in this wallet. I've actually claimed with this particular account. That's why I don't have anything to claim with. I've claimed with all my accounts. So I'm so sorry that I couldn't make a video on how to claim this with my own account. So I don't have anything to close. Account to close 0. Total soul to claim 0 because I've actually claimed some Solana on this account. But I think there is one account I don't use that I've not actually claimed. So let me proceed to that particular account. Phantom app. I'll just click here. I'll just paste it here. Once I paste it, I'll wait for it to load. Then you click on select wallet. Then click on Phantom detected. Connecting. Connect. I'm connecting another wallet. Connected. Okay, now I have something to claim here. In this wallet, account to close 9 and total soul to claim 0.0468. In this wallet, I actually have 0.13 Solana. So you know that I don't have anything there. So claim all. So we'll see how much you claim. This account, I don't use it to do anything. I don't usually use it to do anything. So that's why I'm claiming this little amount from here. I would have made a video when I was claiming from my main account. So you will. There's even an account I claimed up to 0.9 soul. Yes. Okay, let's go back to this account. Let me refresh it so that you see. So what we're having here before was around 13 cents. Now you see we have about 2.24 Solana. So I will just go to this is an account I don't normally use, and if you look, I don't have anything in this account. I don't use it to trade anything, but I've just used it to buy, I think, one coin one time, one token one time. So if you go to your main account, the account you use very well on Solana, you just use this link to claim your soul. There's another project that is also doing similar stuff. Let me check. I think there's also one called Refund Your Soul. That one you also have option of burning. Let me take you to the site. But I love using Claim Your Soul because it's beginner friendly, and you won't have to do something that will complicate your account, like burning a token you don't want to burn. Let me take you to that particular site. Refund your soul. Yes, this project, let me open it. This project is also doing similar thing that Claim Your Soul is doing. Let's go to their website. This is their website. Understood. You see, Solana blockchain holds your soul. Claim it back. On this one, if you connect to your account, let me show you something. Let me copy the link. Let me go to one of my accounts. Okay, now if you look here, this is for refund your token, the one that does similar stuff. See this my account now. They said accounts are available to burn, 141 accounts. Total failed to refund 0.24 so. And so if I click on select to burn now, I will be asked, they will bring out tokens for me to burn. Burning means those tokens I bought that they don't worth anything at the moment again. I can decide to convert all of them to Solana. So, but I don't want to do that because so people actually claim. If you see people claiming, see people burning. So transaction is actually going on. Nothing to be scared about. Just check yours and collect back all you've spent. Important safety tips you need to take home is this. Use only official sites. Check the link carefully. That's why I said I will be dropping the link below the description so that you don't just copy any random link. Avoid being scammed. Never share your seed phrase or private key. This tool only closes empty tokens account, not your main funds. There you have it. ClaimYourSol.com helps you reclaim small amount of soul from old token accounts in seconds, clean and easy. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe for more no nonsense crypto videos.